Hi, good morning. How are you, my children? I hope you all are doing fine in this lockdown. Today, we are going to study English literature. Okay? So, children, take out the chapter 1, The Little Red Hen, page number 21. There are many animals that live on farms. See the farm. Choose the names of the animals from the box and write them down beside their pictures. Bull, cow, hen, sheep, goat, duck, horse. See, first one, bull. This is a bull. So write here bull. This is duck. Cow. Write here hen. Horse. HORSE horse. Goat. And sheep. SHEEP sheep. Once upon a time there were four friends who lived on a farm: a hen, a cat, a duck, and a rat. Let us find out more about them. So, once upon a time there were four friends, and those friends were lived in a farm, and those are a hen, cat, duck, and rat. So, let's start. This is Lily. See, she is a little red hen. She lives in a tiny cottage. As you can see the picture, she is a little red hen whose name is Lily, and she lived in a tiny cottage. As you can see the word bank, tiny means small and cottage means a small house. There are Lily's friends. I am Mimi, I am Nibbles, I am Square. As you can see the picture, these are Lily's friends. First one is cat. Her name is Mimi, and the second is rat, and the second is a rat. Her name is Nibbles, and the third is a duck. Her name is Quack. One day Lily finds a grain of wheat in her garden. She has an idea. So one day Lily is her garden. She find a little grain. She find a little grain of seed. Grain means a little seed of a food plant. Okay. So it was a seed of a wheat, and she found in her garden. And suddenly she had an idea. Idea means a sudden thought. Lily goes to her friends. Who will help me plant the seed? Lily asked them, who will help me plant means to put seeds under the ground to make them grow. So Lily asked them, who will help me to do this? So what do her friends say? What do her friends say? Sorry, Lily, we are busy. We cannot help you. So her friends told her they are very busy and they cannot help her. the plants the seed. So Lily plants the seed all by herself. So Lily goes to garden again. So Lily goes to garden again and plants the seed all on her own. The seed soon grows yellow and ripe. So the seeds goes into a plant and that plant's colored in yellow and ripe is fully grown and ready to eat. So now the plant is ready by eaten. So Lily thought that it is right to cut the plant. Lily goes to friends again. See, when time the cuts the plant, Lily goes to friends and asks them who will help me cut the weight. Again Lily asks them who will help me cut the weight so we can hit afterwards. But again Lily's friends told her the cat says we are busy. Cat says we are busy. We are busy. The dog says please do your own work. Dog says please do your own work. The lily cuts the plant with her beak. So the lily goes to the garden. So the lily goes to the garden. And she cuts her plants with her beak. That she goes to the mill to grind the wheat. Mill means a place where grain is turned to flour. Grind means a break or crush something into very small pieces. Then she took the cut plant and then she goes to the mill. What is the mill? You know, mill, a place where grain is turned to flour and grain to break or crush something into very small pieces. So the wheat plant, it is grinded and crushed in the mill. So Lily took the cut plants. See. So the wheat plant is taken to the mill. Lily took the wheat plant with cut in the mill and grinded in and crushed with make fine powder. Now see, fine powder. Fine is very fine powder. Fine means very small pieces, means powder. Okay. Now she has a bag on fine wheat flour. Fine means, I say, very small pieces. She takes the flour home and bakes a loaf of delicious bread. So she takes the flour home and bakes a loaf of tasty bread. Delicious means very tasty. Okay. The wonderful smell of fresh bread draws her friends in. Draws her friends in means makes her friends interested in what is happening. They automatically can attractive and come to heart. The cat said, "Mmm, this smells so good." The duck says, "Cut a piece each, will you, Lily?" Then the lily says, "Then, did you help me sow the seed, cut the wheat, or bake the bread?" Then the lily said, "Repeat again." Lily questioned them, "That did you help me sow the seed, cut the wheat, or bake the bread? Is it right that you ask for the bread now?" So all friends are apologized. So all friends are apologized. "We should have helped you." Lily friends are ashamed. Ashamed means feeling bad because you know you have done something wrong. We are sorry. So, when you do something wrong, you must be ashamed. You must ask sorry. Okay. So after apologizing, all Lily invite everyone for the dinner. Lily is kind. She invite everyone, you see, for dinner. So everyone say, "Thank you, Lily." I hope that everyone understood. Okay. So children, practice whatever I taught to you. Goodbye.